Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Techno, and it's me Ahmed. If you are a user who want to root your smartphone and install custom ROMs, then you have reached the correct destination. In today's video, we will be showing the best smartphone to download and install a custom ROM like me. And as you know, I have downloaded the MIUI 8 on my Lenovo A536, which is totally great, and I am very satisfied with it. So before we start our video, if you haven't liked this video, hit the like button and also share this video with your friends. If you are here for the first time and you don't subscribe my channel Techno, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications of our videos when our video go live. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So friends, on the last we are having the legend OnePlus One itself on our list. When this phone was launched, it was very hard to get one of these smartphones. As you know, you had to wait for the invitation. But now you can get it for as much as 5,000 rupees on Too Good. When it was launched, it was running on Android KitKat, and at that time Restruction Remix came out, which was based on Android Lollipop, and it was great. So in 2014, this was a complete flagship killer. It also beat the Huawei M8, the Samsung S5, and also OnePlus One is very easy to unlock bootloader and install custom ROM, and also good in looks because of the sandstone color. And if you are a guy who is less budget and don't demand that you want a new phone, old phone will also survive, then this smartphone is for you guys. The next phones we are having are from Xiaomi. Redmi Note 4. As you always know, it's a great smartphone that has come from the Xiaomi team, and this smartphone is also having a great developer support for this smartphone. It also has rolled the Android 10 for it when the 10 was launched, and also other smartphones from Redmi like the Redmi Note 5, the Redmi Note 5 Pro are also good smartphones to install custom ROM because they are also having very great developer supports, and also plenty of ROMs in XDA developer forums. Redmi Note 5 Pro is as good as the Redmi Note 4, but it's more better than Redmi Note 4. On the next we are having the Poco F1. The next smartphone which is very easy to root and install custom ROMs is the Poco, which is also from Xiaomi. From this smartphone we can get a dual camera setup and a great processor, and a cooling system which is great for gamers. This smartphone is Poco is having a great developer support, and the next thing to say is that you can get this smartphone for at most 10,000 rupees in Too Good and other sites. So friends, the third smartphone in our list and the best smartphone to download custom ROMs is from the Google. Yes, the Google smartphones, which is both Pixel and Nexus series, are very good. The Google Pixel 2 XL is as great, and also Pixel 3 are good smartphones for these processors because they come with great developer support, and we are in 2020, and the Pixel camera is great and it's out of the world because with the help of the Gcams and astro photography. And also Google Nexus smartphones are also good, and as you know, Google smartphones will not void our warranty if we root or do any stuff like this. So the second best smartphone we are having to root and install custom ROMs is the Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you know, it is the first smartphone in India to launch a 48 megapixel camera. This smartphone camera is great, and also it's having a good 4000 mAh battery and a great processor for gaming. We can get up to 66 Hz refresh rate rather than the old 60 Hz when installing a kernel called Crimson kernel. And like there are ROMs like gaming ROMs like the Corvus OS that also runs pretty smooth and great on this smartphone. And also this smartphone is also having a great developer support, so that we can get most of the functions from our smartphone by using super user and installing custom ROMs, which make this very professional. And also custom ROMs are better than the MIUI that we have on the Redmi smartphones. So the best smartphone in the world, which is great for some custom ROMs and doing this stuff, is none other than the OnePlus 6. Yes, the OnePlus 6 and the OnePlus 8 are very great smartphones for installing custom ROMs and doing this purpose like this. And as I say, the OnePlus 6 is having more ROMs when compared to the OnePlus 60, the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. Great phone, great camera, good battery life, fast dash charging, fast fingerprint sensor, and of course very easy to root and install custom ROMs. And guys, one more phone from OnePlus is having this support like which is the OnePlus 8, which is as good as the OnePlus 6, but OnePlus 8 is highly expensive, so I recommend buy a refurbished or any other used OnePlus 6 so that you can get very great stuff. And guys, when you buy a OnePlus smartphone, please when you buy a OnePlus smartphone, you must look that you don't buy the key version for that smartphone, because developers tend to give more support to the non-key versions of the OnePlus smartphones. So guys, we have reached the end of our video. There are tons of smartphones in the market which are good for instant customers and root devices. And in today's video, I said a great smartphones which are great for this purpose. But there are other smartphones also in the market which you can look, like the Realme 3 Pro, the Realme 2 Pro, the Pro versions of the Realme, the Pro versions of the Redmi, and other smartphones. And if you are some sort of guy, then I hope you liked my video, and I hope that you also hit the like button. If you haven't hit the like button, please hit the like button now and share this video, friends. If you like my video, and if you like my content, and if you like the way I am presenting, then please subscribe my channel Techno S, and also hit the bell icon and turn it to all, that you don't miss any notifications of our future videos when a video goes live. And also follow me on social media in Twitter and Instagram. I will leave a link for those in the description below. So friends, till we see you in the next video, this is Ahmed Salahuddin signing off. Bye friends, bye bye.